We had noted across the globe the government regulations and consumer preferences were changing rapidly. And these trends were very clear. Customers and regulators both wanted safer vehicles, better fuel economy, and lower emissions, and connectivity and infotainment while in the vehicle. And we hand-selected our portfolio. We went from 27 business units to 10. We narrowed our product lines from 119 to 33. And the product portfolio was focused on the hot space of safe, green, and connected. And 70% of our revenues are from products with a number 1 or number 2 market position. We have diversified and balanced the company. Our largest customer is now only 21% of our revenue. Our 6 largest platforms are with 6 different OEMs, and we have 5 customers, each with over $1 billion in revenue. We right-sized the cost structure to ensure that we were profitable across all points of the auto industry cycle. We strengthened our balance sheet by addressing uncompetitive legacy costs. And finally, we focused on balance across our customer base and geographical footprint. Our transformation is complete. It was done with the objective not to just create a company that could survive, but to create a business that could thrive. The new Delphi is a far different company than the one we transformed in 2005. And since our formation back in October of 2009, our revenues have grown by over 40%. We created a business that is competitive and is profitable, with a lean and flexible cost structure, superior margins, solid returns on invested capital, and very strong cash flow. We are building on the transformation, and we are well positioned as we shift our focus to expansion of both the top and bottom line of Delphi.
Innovation for the real world means solving the tough challenges in the global automotive industry. At Delphi, our value to our customers is that we solve their real-world issues. Safe, green, and connected is where we focus our technology development. That's where we bring value to our customers in solving their challenges in each of those 3 trends. Safety is a key focus area for us. We really work hard to provide that 360-degree cocoon of safety. Green is a trend that will impact the automotive industry for as far as we can see. We provide significant technologies on the gasoline and the diesel side, and will continue to focus developments to make those platforms more efficient in the future. It's almost universal that we all want to experience in our vehicle the same kind of connectivity that we have at home or in our office. We provide those solutions that do that in as safest fashion as possible, not provide distraction, but provide the benefit of the information or the infotainment that the consumer wants. The right combination of innovation and value is what our customers need to solve their real-world challenges. And that's Delphi. Innovation and value, it's deep in our DNA.
Delphi is very well positioned for growth in emerging markets, and we are excited about this opportunity. We established a presence early on in these markets, and as a result, we believe we have a competitive advantage. And as incomes continue to rise in these markets, more consumers will purchase more vehicles, and more consumers will demand more content and more electronics in their vehicles. If you look at the last 5 years, Delphi's revenue in emerging markets has consistently outpaced market growth. And we see this opportunity continuing as we see stronger growth in these markets, especially China, Brazil, Russia, and India. Almost 50% of vehicles produced around the world are made in Asia. And that growth is expected to continue, with most of it happening in China and in India. We are operating in a global industry. We are supporting global customers with their global strategies, but we're executing in the regions where our customers need us. We believe that our technological depth is unmatched. We are developing products, we are designing and inventing products, and this competitive advantage has resulted in a very well-diversified customer base. We do business with customers of all origin: Chinese OEMs, Japanese OEMs, European OEMs, Korean, as well as American OEMs. And this is going to be a great asset as we leverage it to continue to grow with these customers. Delphi's technical capabilities in China are on par with anywhere else where we do business, including Western markets. This becomes a competitive advantage. So if you want to do business with local OEMs, you need to have that capability. A great example of a product that was developed in China by our Chinese engineers is our 3D navigation system. Roads in China are multi-tiered, so you need a navigation system to help you navigate in 3 dimensions. This specific product was very popular and resulted in a 70% uptake ratio. Delphi is in the fabric of the automotive industry in China. We invested with a long-term view. This capability has enabled us to outpace market growth, and we believe it's going to continue to support these opportunities as we grow our business